Hi, in today's video we want to talk about sorting in Calc. So we have this list of product with quantities and code. Let's go to data, sort, and we can choose to sort them ascending, okay, by product. Let's see now the code here. Let's select everything, including the comments. Let's go to data, sort. Let's sort by code, but watch here, enable natural sort. If it's unchecked, you can see we have A on the first element, 1, after that it's 2, and the third element is 0, 1, 2, everything is well sorted, but you can see this number is less than this one, so they are not sorted by size but by elements they contain. If we want by size, we can enable natural sort, and now everything is A here, but this is bigger than previous one, and so on. So number are increasing down there. Now let's select everything again, and let's see another thing. Let's see what is happening if we uncheck range. Okay, so if we uncheck to have labels, now our labels have moved to the last position. Okay, so you have to be sure that this is not happening if you select including the labels. Now let's talk about small letters. So you can see here we have small letters, and if we select and go to data, sort, and check here case sensitive, uncheck, everything is the same and we have number increasing. Now let's see another example. We can sort by multiple criteria, by code and by quantities. Okay, another thing, we have seen the range is disappearing if it's not checked. Including formats means we keep the format of the labels that are of elements that are sorted. And now let's talk about include boundary columns containing comments. So if I click here, you can see the comments are not moving, but if should be, if I'm changing the list, should move. So if I check that options here containing only comments or only images, and if I'm changing the sorting criteria to be ascending, we can see now the comment 1 is on the last position and it was first, so it is working. Let's see how to sort results in another area. So let's define a new area here. So we selected these 4 cells and we want to name them my range. Let's add and OK. And now we want to sort what we want and the result to go in that range. So we want something else, we want to change something to see the difference, and everything have to go to my range. Now I want something else. Let's suppose I want something else. I don't want to have the same list as on the left, so let's change something. So let's sort by code, and I want the results in my range. Okay, you can see on the right I have a different list comparing to the left, so I have only the results I wanted. Let's see more. Let's select everything. Let's go to data, sort, and here we have custom sort order. We can define that in options. We can change the language. And now we want to talk about something else. Let's sort by columns and not by rows. Okay, so until now we sorted by top bottom, but now we want left to right. So let's check left to right, and I want let's check, I want labels to see the labels. So let's check range contains row labels, and I want by A ascending or descending. So it's descending. A it's 3, 2, 1 is descending. Let's select and let's change for B. I want for B to be ascending, and I want left to right, so I have 3, 6 and 45. Everything is working. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.